Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Executive Vice President, American Honda, John Mendel.
Hey, everybody. Thank you all for joining us here today. You know, it's been an exciting show already, and we hope to add to that excitement this morning. Now, our opening video speaks in a very special way to one of the reasons we're here today, and that's the coming launch of the all-new 9th generation Honda Accord. Now, the production version of the all-new 2013 Accord will be hitting the market around the same time as we celebrate a very important milestone in the history of Honda and Accord. And that's the 30th anniversary of the start of automobile production in the US. Think about this number for a minute. Since we introduced Accord in 1976, we've sold more than 11 million Accords in America. And more than 8 million of those have been built right here in America as well. As you might have noticed, we've got the very first of the species, US-made Accord VIN number 001, on display here today. And I want to say thank you to the folks at the Henry Ford in Dearborn. This vehicle's on permanent loan there, so we thank them for letting us borrow it back for a few days. Now, the star of our show today is an Accord concept model, but before we get to that, I'd like to speak for a moment to the positive momentum leading up to the launch of this brand new model. Now, to say that the past year has been one of incredible challenge is really kind of a gross understatement. 2011 was a year that saw our company weather 2 devastating natural disasters that severely disrupted our global supply chain. Some automakers have pointed to our reduced sales last year, including lower Accord sales, as if it were some kind of sales trend, when the reality is we had to cut more than 200,000 units from our production schedule. And we still topped 1 million units in sales for the year. Now, many of our competitors were enjoying the race with Honda running at half throttle, and they temporarily picked up a lap or 2 in the process while we were in the pits. But we've returned to full production with a strengthening product lineup, including the all-new CR-V and Civic, a freshened and more efficient Honda Pilot, a benchmark Odyssey minivan, a new 4-cylinder version of Crosstour that debuts this month, and later this year, an all-new 2013 Honda Accord. And with all of this backed up by the industry's best quality ratings, we're here to serve notice to the competition that Honda is again firing on all cylinders. We're back to full power, and we're again racing with a vengeance. Now, of course, the first US-made car from a Japanese automaker is nowhere near Accord's only claim to fame. For 30 years and through 8 generations, Accord has consistently set the benchmark for fuel efficiency, low emissions, safety, and the best overall balance of comfort, features, packaging, and fun-to-drive performance in the midsize segment. It's the reason why, despite year after year of competitors taking aim, Accord has earned an unprecedented 26 Car and Driver 10 Best Awards. You know, that's a crazy good record that no other manufacturer or brand can claim. Now, the new 9th generation Accord will raise the bar again, in part through a real tour de force of new Honda powertrain technologies, as well as safety. All geared to ensure that Honda and Accord continue to be leaders in fuel economy, safety, and fun-to-drive performance. Arriving this fall, Accord will be the first U.S. vehicle to apply our new Earth Dreams powertrain technology. This is the series of engines and transmissions that we debuted at the Tokyo Motor Show late last year that will ultimately replace every powertrain in our entire lineup. These new engines completely re-envision the structure of Honda's legendary VTEC technology for more efficient combustion and reduced friction. The bottom line is engines that achieve both outstanding fuel efficiency and high output for clean and fun driving performance. So, fuel economy up, performance up, and fun definitely up. And with this new Earth Dreams technology, we're aiming to achieve best-in-class fuel economy in every segment in which we compete within the next 3 years, starting with Accord. The all-new Accord will boast 3 new powertrains, including the first application in the U.S. of our new 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with direct injection that you see over here, delivering a significant boost in performance, including additional horsepower and an increase in mid-range torque. And the 4-cylinder Accord will also get a 6-speed manual and an all-new continuously variable transmission, CVT, that will be the best system in the marketplace in terms of efficiency, performance, and, importantly, sporty driving feel. None of the rubber band kind of feeling that most competitive CRVs are known for. And coupled with the new engine, it'll help achieve class-leading fuel economy. Meanwhile, the V6 Accord sedan and coupe will increase horsepower and torque while being paired with a new 6-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual transmission. And with the new 6-speed automatic, both the sedan and coupe are expected to achieve class-leading fuel economy as well. Further, Accord will be the 5th Honda model with the Eco Assist function and Eco button in order to help our customers approach or provide our customers a practical approach to improving their own fuel-efficient driving habits. But that's not the end of the powertrain technology story. The 2013 Accord lineup will see the introduction of Honda's very first plug-in hybrid vehicle, utilizing our all-new 2-motor hybrid system, which continuously moves through 3 different modes to maximize driving efficiency: all-electric, gasoline-electric, and a direct drive mode. The plug-in hybrid Accord will travel up to 15 miles on electric power alone, with the driver able to control when the vehicle operates in all-electric mode. So for instance, if your commute starts on the highway, for example, a driver can decide not to switch to all-electric power until entering city traffic, where the technology has the greatest benefit to fuel economy. And fully recharging the battery will take less than 1.5 hours on a 240-volt charger. Now, with the plug-in hybrid, or the Accord plug-in, we'll continue to grow our diverse lineup of alternative fuel vehicles, which include the Civic Natural Gas, the CRZ Insight and Civic Hybrids, the plug-in Accord Hybrid, the Fit EV, and the FCX Clarity fuel cell electric car. There's so much more we have to tell you about the new Accord, which heralds our strategy to further advance clean, safe, and fun values of Honda. But maybe it's time we showed you what you're talking about. So here it is, the cleaner, safer, and unquestionably more fun 2013 Accord Coupe concept. Now with its athletic styling, including the four-sided honeycomb grille, rear taillights that sweep aggressively into the body, and the large exhaust finishers integrated into the bumper, the 2013 Accord Coupe concept gives you a very strong glimpse of the direction of the all-new Accord lineup coming this fall. You know, the Accord has been consistently rated as the most fun to drive midsize car, and this all-new model will take that bar and raise it even higher. New packaging that delivers on the man maximum, machine minimum philosophy of Honda design will give the 2013 Accord sedan a shortened overall length, a significant reduction in weight, and lower vehicle height in order to achieve a new level of efficiency, more nimble handling, and improved driving dynamics. Believe me, the new Accord will live up to our mission to deliver new products that are unquestionably fun to drive and definitely fun to own. And even with the more compact exterior design and lower roofline, Accord will boast the same sizable interior space as the current model. Of course, the new Accord is built upon the foundation of the best quality reputation in the industry. You know, in 2011, Honda posted the most dominant performance in the history of the J.D. Power Initial Quality Study, with Honda finishing as the top mainstream brand in the industry, supported by 7 of 11 segment-leading products, including the current Accord. And according to that same study, 4 of the top 5 assembly lines in the Americas were at Honda's plants, including both lines at the Marysville, Ohio plant that builds the Accord. But the advanced technology coming to the all-new Accord line is not limited to the powertrain alone. With the all-new Accord, we'll introduce a wave of new technologies aimed at enhancing driver visibility and industry-leading safety of Honda vehicles. Our approach to styling the Accord has always included a focus on substantial greenhouse visibility, something our customers continually told us that they love about Accord styling. Now, in spite of the bold and aggressive styling change, we haven't compromised on this principle. In fact, we're expanding on it. For instance, we'll be making the expanded view driver's mirror that we debuted on the CR-V last month standard equipment on every model in our lineup in the coming years. Also, you'll see the application of rear view backup cameras, which are already standard on our trucks, expanded to all of our products in the future, starting with this new Accord. And all Navi-equipped models will be getting the multi-angle backup camera that we debuted on the new CR-V. In addition, the 2000 Accord will get a brand new Honda exclusive blind spot display that we call Honda Lane Watch. With a camera mounted in the passenger side view mirror, the driver can use this display to identify vehicles in their blind spot through real-time video without the risk of false warnings found in some other competitive systems. And Accord will be the only vehicle in its class to make this feature available. Finally, let's talk about safety. Last month, the IIHF gave top safety picks to 10 additional Honda models, giving us a total of 12 with top-class IIHS safety ratings. Now, of course, the current Accord is on the list as one of the first vehicles in the industry to claim this honor. But we aren't stopping there. In the area of collision avoidance, we'll be deploying 2 additional technologies, forward collision warning and lane departure warning, that'll be applied across every model in our lineup in the years to come, starting with, again, as available technology on this new Accord. Both systems use a digital camera mounted behind the windshield to monitor the roadway in front of the driver and warn the driver of changing traffic conditions in front of them, or to alert the driver if the car is moving out of its intended lane. And again, starting this fall with the new Accord, we begin applying new ejection mitigation airbag technology with a much wider deployment profile of the side curtain airbag. We're doing this 2 full years in advance of new safety regulations that go into effect in 2015. So we're serious about our commitment to continue to deliver products that are cleaner, safer, and even more fun than ever before. And we're doing it with class-leading technologies applied broadly to our product lineup. As you can see, along with the compelling safety, fuel economy, and value story, Honda's fundamental commitment to performance is alive and well. And our number one priority going forward is to make products that our customers want to drive, products that measure up to the very high expectations and standards that they have for Honda. You know, this is going to be an exciting year and a very competitive race. And we're happy to be rejoining that race at full strength. So stay tuned. Thanks for your time and attention this morning. And now I invite you to join me on stage after a few pictures for a closer look at the 2013 Honda Accord.